going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we went back and grabbed one of the most underrated Air Jordan 1s to release last month. We got the Air Jordan 1 Vault Gold. We wanted to pass on this sneaker initially, but after seeing a couple of pictures on IG, we had to go and add this sneaker to the collection because this is one of those sneakers that we're going to appreciate over time, and the color blocking in this sneaker is very unique.
And guys, it's not one of the most hyped Jordan 1s out there, but it certainly has this unique stigma around it that most people are not a fan of. For example, it has that Vault and the gold contrast colors, which most people are skeptical about, and we're going to show you guys how to style it with multiple outfits, so stay tuned. To me, this particular colorway is more of like a BIOHACK 2.0 because it gives it that biomechanic kind of look. For example, this Vault and the gold is not like typical colors that you would use together, but I really like how they complement each other on this particular Jordan 1. It kind of gives you that union off-white look all in one. They decide to expose some of the details on the sneaker. Like for example, this back portion of the heel is done in this exposed foam, and the tongue is done in that as well. And they decide to flip the tag on the tongue inside out, which really gives it that off-white design. It's kind of unfortunate that this sneaker decided to release in January of all months. It's not really like a winter type colorway, but in the summertime, this bright two colors are going to pop out with multiple outfits, so we're definitely going to be pulling out this sneaker in the summer.
And the sneaker performs similarly to the BIOHACK in terms of resale value, because initially when the BIOHACK released, a lot of people were not fans of it, but now the resale value is really skyrocketing, and I think this sneaker is going to perform similar to that. When it comes to Air Jordan 1, the leather quality adds to the comfort of the sneaker, and I'm not going to cap, this leather quality is not the best. It's kind of stiff in my opinion. Maybe over time it's gonna break in, and I really like this creamish outsole. It adds to like the design of the sneaker, and it gives it that vintage look, even though this is not a retro sneaker. And I've came across videos on YouTube of people painting off this Vault portion of the sneaker into gold, which is unnecessary in my opinion. It takes away from the two-tone design that the sneaker gives off.
Now, since the sneaker has these two vibrant colors, you definitely want to introduce different colors that really complement those colors. Like for example, I think a blue color would really go well with these two colors, and you want to throw in like tone down parts of the outfit as well. Like for example, you could go with more of a muted pants, which could really add that pop and make the sneaker really stand out in the outfit.
But you certainly don't want to go ahead and match these two colors. It's gonna make your outfit look a little bit basic, so we're gonna try to offset the colors instead. This is one of those undervalued Air Jordan 1s that will add a different spice to your outfits, and I suggest if you guys are trying to pick it up, you go ahead and pick it up right now because it's not going for a lot over retail. And we're not gonna bore you guys by talking too much about this sneaker. If you guys are new to the channel, leave a like in the video right now because it really helps the channel. And please subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications so you get notified when we drop a new video.
And also guys, make sure, I can't stress it enough, go ahead and drop a like. It really helps the video get shared to more people so the channel could grow and the community could grow. And go ahead and drop a comment as well. So tell us which outfit you guys liked in the on feet. And until then guys, we'll see you guys in our next video.